Chris Beeler is the tub doctor. He's working on our tub today. So Chris, are these tubs worth saving?
Yes, they are.
Why?
They're nearly 100 years old, and they're made way better than the repros.
Right. And you can bring them right back to make them look like new.
I can make this look like brand new.
All right, so you got it shrink wrapped here, I see. What's going on there?
Yeah, we've had the tub sandblasted, primered, and I applied one coat of the customer's special order color.
And they were looking for like a purple.
Right, it's called Shadow. They emailed me the code, and I got it, and I slapped it on there.
All right, so how do you make this look like new again?
We're going to use an etch and paste, which will clean it up, and it'll make it dull.
Yeah.
And then we've got a glaze that will fill these minor scratches.
Good.
One more thing to point out. Around the drain here, there's a pretty good chip. I got to make it worse before I can make it better.
Okay, so you'll get that looking good, then you'll etch it all, then you'll glaze it,
right,
and then you spray it?
Yes.
Great. You need my help?
Maybe later.
I'll watch you. All right, I'm out of the way.
Thanks.
First, he scrapes and sands the loose paint that's splattered from the outside.
So next we're going to remove this loose porcelain from around the drain so we can fill it and make it look new again.
Etching is done with a paste made from hydrofluoric acid, flour, and water. Chris rubs the paste with a kitchen scrubby. He wants the surface dull so the paint will stick. Safety equipment is important. All right. All right. So how's it look?
Looks great. It's really not a bad tub to start with other than the drain.
Look at all that rust is gone. That looks great.
Yeah, it's gone.
All right, so what's next?
Dry it up with a towel and mix up some glaze and start filling all these minor scratches.
Cool. Still don't want my help?
Maybe later.
Next, he mixes filler compound to fix the scratches near the drain. It needs to be strong because the plumber works in this area. A different mixture fills minor scratches on the rest of the tub. Cracks around the edges get a small amount. Most of the scratches are in the bottom. They get the most attention.
Fill scratches, battle scars from over the years.
An electric sander knocks down the filler with a coarse paper. A finer grit is used by hand for a smooth finish. The primer coat is a gray two-part epoxy. It's sprayed on, then left to dry for about 15 minutes. Finally, a urethane glaze goes on. Chris is a perfectionist, the Picasso of porcelain tubs. He applies 3 coats of white. Wow, Chris. This looks brand new, beautiful.
Thanks, Rich.
So all 3 coats are on.
Yeah.
Anything more you got to do to it?
Yeah, tomorrow wet sand and buff it out.
Okay.
Just to show off a little.
So before you know it, it's going to be at our project. Thanks for your great work.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Rich.
my friend. It feels like I want to touch it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.